Okay, now I'm gonna explain, I'm gonna follow the tutorial we have in the documentation, this library program. So we are gonna follow the different programs. First, we are gonna go to the utils folder that we have just where the main command line programs are. Here you have all the command line programs we will talk in this video series. The first one is ucoslam createinitialparamfile. Sorry, you cannot see it. Okay. Okay. So we are following here. So we are going to run it. If you see the command line program will ask you for a file. We are doing like here, create params, myparams.yml. Okay. And here have it, myparams.yml. So I'm gonna open the program, gedit, and as I say here, okay, here are all the parameters that the ucoslam library have. It has many parameters, it's true, but only a few of them you will have to worry about. Okay, in this particular case, we are just changing run sequential and detect markers. Why? Because in the next programs, in the next videos, we are not using markers, okay, and we will run the program in sequential mode to avoid losing any kind of frames or dropping frames because of the speed of the computer. So we save the program and let's go to the next video.